Finding the right information in a database with millions of articles can be daunting. In this crash course video, we're using the AI Research Assistant in ProQuest Central to turn a broad topic into a focused search for a research assignment. Once you've clicked on a search result in ProQuest Central, you'll see the Research Assistant panel on the right. For this video, we will search for peer-reviewed scholarly articles on the impact of climate change on emperor penguins. Don't forget to check the box for peer review and the filter for scholarly journals on the search results page. The Research Assistant analyzes the search result you've chosen. It doesn't just give you a summary. It offers a key takeaway for the article and similar articles to explore. At the bottom of the panel, you can even ask questions about your search. It will give you a response and suggest follow-up questions. For example, what geographic locations were studied? Or how is climate change specifically affecting emperor penguin populations? Let's turn our focus to searching for more documents using the key terms. This is a great way to take terms used to categorize this article in the database and find more relevant articles that were also categorized with these terms. We'll select sea ice, penguins, and climate change. The Research Assistant automatically builds a complex search for us. This allows you to expand beyond your first search and find relevant articles you may have missed. Now we have 21 articles to choose from. This helps narrow a really broad search with thousands of results to a focus that is much more manageable. Once you've found your sources, the Research Assistant helps you finish the job. You can quickly cite the document, email it to yourself, or save it to your My Research account for later. The ProQuest Research Assistant changes how we interact with scholarly research. Use the Insights section to vet articles in seconds and identify each study's key takeaway. Ask questions using the Research Assistant to evaluate the study design and identify next steps for your research. Review suggested articles to explore research you might have missed. And finally, use the ProQuest Research Assistant to move from discovery to deep comprehension. Access the tool in your results sidebar to begin. Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. Links to additional training resources can be found in the description below. If you are interested in learning more about our resources and skills that are relevant to librarianship, subscribe to the NC Live YouTube channel by clicking that subscribe button below.